Well, I know.
You might have to come back. Because the wheel, it's a pusher.
Yes.
And I didn't glue it as well as I should have. Meaning, the problem is...
What, you mean the prop?
You literally, you trim the wing with the prop. Because it's a pusher.
Yeah.
It's got to, it's slightly angled, so it's literally really close to everything.
Yeah. Okay. Never mind. It'll trim it to
the right
perfection.
Side.
Yeah. Can I ask you, what's it a model of?
DH.2.
A DH.2?
Yeah.
So it's a Havilland.
It's a Microaces. The brand's Microaces, and it's the Havilland.
Okay. Very unusual with it being a pusher and the frame at the back, which isn't covered.
It's not the pilot, it's the battery. I don't have a battery soon.
How long did it take you to build?
The problem is the curing time of the glue.
Sorry?
The curing time.
Curing time?
Yeah, because
that's the limitation.
Yeah, I think. It could be quick, but the glue needs to be set.
Because you're using UHU pour or something like that, right?
You need to stick. I think it's polyethylene plastic, maybe polyethylene, against polystyrene foam.
Right.
Yeah. And sometimes there is carbon fiber.
Okay, yep.
So there's 3 different types of material. So you need to make sure it's glued. I've used some super glue as well as.
Yeah.
Both.
Bit of both. It looks fantastic in the air.
Some money on the battery.
Well, you have. I think you've been flying for 6 or 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Pretty good flight time. Oh. And down. At least that's the benefit of it being a pusher. You're not going to break the prop.
No. Well, the servo's controlled through these strings.
So, sorry, the servo's at the front here. And he's controlling the elevator at the back.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's what's most impressive on this kit.
Yeah. That really is neat. Thank you very much. Cheers.
What are they doing? Whoa. Yeah, well.